fun, natural, chemical-free swimming.
Being filtered through the pond's natural bog filter, where you can even grow your own food. Now that's a combo. Well, I want to show you how to easily regrow your grocery store-bought Bok Choy table scraps, and how to even produce seeds from those table scraps for later future enjoyment of your good old Bok Choy. So all you want to do is cut about 2 inches from the base, right there. Save these, use those in your dishes for your Bok Choy. A lot of this is just using table scraps that you would usually compost or throw away, and using it instead to regrow, so you don't have to keep on going to the grocery store for your Bok Choy.
Nestle this guy in here where it's not too much around standing water. Nestle that guy right in here. Okay. And there's where it's at.
Okay, so it is time to take these seeds from this Bok Choy I planted. And it's probably 3.5 feet tall or so. And now I'm just gonna cut these ends off to save these seeds so I can plant more Bok Choy. These. I'm gonna let these dry in a window seal to dry these. And you could shine, like, say your light on your phone or a flashlight from this angle through this pod seed right here to see if there's any like black circle things. So that would be the seeds, and that would tell you if it's ready or not. I don't want to leave these out here too long. I don't want anything getting them, so these aren't crazy dry. You can tell like this right here is dry, so that's ready to go, but like this one right next to it won't. But I've shown my light, like say from this side over to this side through this pod, and you could see like little black little circle things. That would be the seeds, and I'll just let that dry just like how that is, and then crack those open and have the seeds for Bok Choy. Okay, so I got my seeds that have been in the window seal drying, and they are definitely dry. I already have some that came out, those little guys right there. And all I'm gonna do is get these . Seeds in there. One more. I'm just going to go through each one of these pods.
They just fumble right apart. Couple in that pod. Nice. About 4 or 5 seeds in that pod. Pinch that. Wow. That one's a lot. Man. Well, praise God, the bog filter aquaponics did me well. I got the spent stems that I'll just feed the goats. I got those seeds that I could possibly get a lot more bok choy from, and then the spent seed pods. And once I finish this turmeric, I'll just plan on putting these seeds in this glass jar to save for when I'm ready to plant it. So I really appreciate you sticking around to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and stick around for some other videos. Have so many other experiments going and more aquaponic food that I am growing in the natural swimming pond bog filter. So if you haven't already, if you would like, share and subscribe. And until next time, United Ranch out.